How to sync Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync your Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Settings app on your phone. And once you have opened that, simply scroll down to the bottom and simply tap on Apps. And in the App section, simply search for the calendar. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. Now, in this section, simply tap on the calendar accounts. And from here, you can simply tap on Add Account, and after that, simply choose Google. And now you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Simply enter your email and password and use Face ID or any other authentication method if required to complete the sign-in process. And once you are signed in, you will see several options for syncing. So make sure that the calendar toggle is turned on because this is the key. And if it is off, your Google Calendar events won't sync with your iPhone. And once it's enabled, simply tap Save to confirm your settings. Now that your account is added, open the Apple Calendar app and simply tap on Calendars at the bottom of the screen. And here you should see your Google account listed along with its associated calendars. Now tap on the little eye icon next to the Google Calendar you just added, and you can turn on event alerts, change the calendar colors for better organizations, and rename the calendar if needed. Keep in mind that it may take few minutes for all your events to fully sync, but be patient as it downloads everything from your Google account. And once the sync is complete, you can switch between the Apple Calendars app and the Google Calendar app to ensure all your events are available in both places. And that's it. Now you have successfully synced your Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.